guys, welcome back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of leather and chain eyelet earrings. So for these, you need to make sure you have either some real or faux leather. You're going to need some chain, eyelets, and an eyelet punch or a leather punch, as well as all of the rest of the jewelry findings to assemble this. So to begin, this is what I'm trying to basically recreate. I'm making the pair, the other part of this set. I have some leather here, and I've already cut it to the shape that I need. I've punched one of the holes, so I've just made this kind of like this long diamond here. And I'm gonna punch my second hole here. So I have a leather punch. I have it set to a larger hole so that it will punch this big spot here. Because I don't want a tiny punch, or I'm going to not be able to fit my eyelet in there. So punch like that. I'm gonna take this out, remove that little piece. Sometimes it snags on there. Okay. Get it out of there. I might need to use my scissors to get the little pieces that are still stuck. And then from here, I am going to put an eyelet. I'm trying to decide which side to use here. This one. On each side. So don't try to put both of them on, so don't try to close it up and secure the eyelet with both pieces. You need to put an eyelet on both sides here. The fabric, or I'm sorry, the leather is too thick for that. Now, if you have some really thin faux leather, you might be able to do that, but not for this real leather. So I have the eyelet in place. I'm going to use my eyelet applicator here. Let's see. I want to make sure I get it in just the right spot. And I'm going to close this up like that. Okay, so there's one eyelet, and now the other one is going to go on this side. And same thing, making sure I have my thing turned the right way here. There we go. Okay, so I've got both eyelets on here. Now I'm just going to bring them together, and I'm going to take a larger jump ring, open up the jump ring. And I have to use a larger one because it has to be able to fit through both of these pieces here. Okay, so I've got both here. I'm also going to put my ear wire on. And then I'm going to close these up. Close this jump ring up. So now I have this part completed. From here, make sure it's up at the top, there we go. From here, I want to hook my chain in. So I have 5 pieces of chain that are the same length. They are about 5 inches long. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to connect them all together with a jump ring. And I wanna get one that's a little bit larger to hook them all on. Okay, and I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take each side, so each strand of chain. Well, I just turned my head for a second to look at the time and dropped one right off of there. So I'm putting, going through the end of each piece of chain here. Maybe. There we go. And 4 and 5. What I'm gonna do from here is I'm going to drop them all through this. So I'm just opening this up and letting them all go through. And then I want to bring the pieces around and connect each one again. So my chain is making a loop. And I've tried doing these where I make this section first of the chain, you know, connect them all together and then loop the what am I trying to say? And then loop the, I missed one, leather around it, and that's a lot more difficult, I think, so. All right, so I've got them all connected. I'm gonna close up my jump ring. And then I'm just going to spin those around so that the jump ring is inside here. So just like that. What I would do is, what I'm going to do is secure that jump ring in there with a little drop of either hot glue or fabric glue to keep them from spinning. You don't want these chains to move and then your jump ring that connects them all together to be exposed. So there are the leather and chain eyelet earrings, not too bad. Make sure you check out my other tutorials with other leather earrings that we've done in the past. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.